Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting the biggest drains immediately. Turn on battery saver and set screen timeout to 30 to 60 seconds. This reduces screen on time. Lower brightness to around 40% or use adaptive brightness so the display adapts to light and saves power. Next, disable radios you don't need, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi scanning, because background scanning wastes energy. Once done, close unnecessary apps running in background. Make sure to swipe them away or force stop power-heavy apps to stop instant wake locks. Now you tighten control over software behavior to prolong runtime. Restrict background data and background activity for apps that don't need constant updates. This prevents stealth battery drain. Enable dark mode where available and reduce animations to lower GPU and CPU usage. Limit location access to while using the app, because constant GPS is a major power consumer. If an app remains a top drain, uninstall it or switch to a lightweight alternative. With these changes, the phone runs cooler and battery cycles improve. Finish by adopting charging habits that preserve capacity. Charge routinely between 20% and 80% instead of full 0 to 100 cycles. This slows chemical wear. Always use original or certified chargers and avoid charging in hot places, because heat accelerates degradation. Once charged, remove cases that trap heat and use optimized charging features if available. If you still see rapid drain, check battery health stats and, if needed, reset settings or perform a battery calibration. If problems persist, seek professional battery diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.